Good morning, everybody. It's the 8th of November, early on Monday. Starting off here looking at the Astro Excel this morning. We are kind of hitting this flat spot, and then we've got some upside pressure here a little bit later till about 9 o'clock where we peak out. And then we start to make this down, sideways to down drift with a little bit of a bounce down and back up, and then we're flat. Then we drop at 118 to about 150, and then we're flat lined out to the close. Same with the moon line. Moon line is kind of in the same pattern. We get a couple of small spikes, but we are never getting too far away from the zero line, and we're bracketed by the we're only getting up to a little bit over 4 on the plus side, and a little bit about minus 1.5 on the green line. On the downside, minus 3 on the blue line. So we're not getting too far away off the zero line today, so it may be kind of a choppy day. Moving to the Vedic chart, we had last week on Friday we had these 3 timing windows, and we had one on the 7th late last night. We got new high in the first window here last week early in the morning. We only got a minor reaction. We got to the end of the window. We started pushing back up. Made a new high in the A2 white window, which was exactly with the time point. So with that high being made, the next anticipation would be a low for the next window. And we made that low right here just as the window started on our first timer, where I had the double arrows where we had the confluence of timers coming together. That was the low of the day right there. Then we had this window here in the B1 panel that came in at the Sunday night open and ended last night just after 2100. The low came in right there at 2100 at the end of the window, and then we've reversed and started to track upward a little bit. But now we have some slightly upward pressure on the Astro Excel. We're primarily bullish here on the Vedic, but we are in the neutral area now between A2 and B1. So we are in the neutral area. That kind of confirms with the Astro Excel. There are no timing windows today beyond the one from last night, late last night. Jumping over to the rainbow chart, let me give you a few time triggers for today. I'll give you these times first, and we'll look at a couple of these a little more specifically. 8:09 on the first one, 10 o'clock, about 12:27, 13:04, 14:56, and 15:13. What you want to try and do with these when you can is to overlap and get some windows to sync up with multiple ribbons. Well, let's take a look at these. Here the A2 block is key, the big green block, and then the A1 block, the white, aligns with that, but that also aligns with the white block on A7. Going to the next trigger, that's the A7, A8, the bottom 2 panels. We've got the bright green wider block. We're going to key on the white block above that. And then on the A5 panel, we've got the green block syncing up with that zone. On the next one at 12:27, the green block here on the A4 panel is key. We're lined up on the A3 with the big green block. Now we have a white block on A1 right here, right on the edge of that, and then down below on A7 another white block. So we have a lot of alignment there for potential peaks at that 12:28, 12:27, 12:28 time. Then we get a similar situation coming here at 104. Now we have three blacks coming together. We've got the A2 black, the A4 black, and the A8 black are all coming together. Now look at the odd number blacks. The A1 white is right there, the A3 green, and then the A7 green. So we've got three main blacks lining up with each minor black with that lining up also. So that would be an indication that that may be the most important timer today in that 1305 area. And then we get a little bit of confluence here. This one is the A7, A8 black. You can see we have the A5 black, white black here confirming that. And then the last one here at 1513 or so is just the A1, A2 together, even though that falls in the A8 black as well. We don't have another minor trigger to tie that one down. So there's some turn times for you, especially you want to watch that one at 108 area. So that's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with another video. We will see you then.